The hell gotten into you niggas, man? Motherfucker, you from Chicago, man. What the fuck gotten into you, man? Running around wearing leather skirts and shit. Nigga, I'll shoot you. Motherfucker, I ain't even from that side of the motherfucking woods, nigga. I'm all the way out the east. But goddamn it, I love this rap shit. You should be ashamed of yourself. Just motherfucking money in large amounts coming to you soon, cocksuckers. And you run off and be happy with that motherfucking dog you got. Cause that's what she is. Fucking Kim Kardashian. You shitting me? Fucking dog, man. How dare you, man? I'll violate your whole fucking life, man. You fucking sorry excuse for a rapper. You, huh? The fuck are you trying to boss my balls, motherfucker? I don't want to read about this shit. Every time I open a motherfucking newspaper, it's motherfucking Ye and Kim Kardashian. Kiss my motherfucking ass. I want to read about what the fuck is going on in my neighborhood. Fuck done. Man, what the fuck? I'll snatch the fucking life out of you, kid. What the fuck done gotten into you? Man, I ain't even finished this shit, man. But motherfucker, run that shit back, man. God damn it. Done had the motherfucking Mullah Shine had to vent some frustration right fast, man. But we getting back to the task at hand. Nish and me, we kicking into a different gear. Right here. The fuck is going on, man? God damn it. What this the fuck should be going on, man? Motherfucker. When they see me in the, when they view me in the east, they say Mogul on some other shit. Big ass gun on me, nigga, that's my brother shit. 17 in mine, 7, man, fuck that shit, man. I ain't a motherfucking rapper. I'm just good at this shit, man. I love this shit. How dare you insult my intelligence? You motherfucking cartoon character, you. You should just kill yourself twice, man. Try that one. Just motherfucking money in large amounts, man. Coming to you soon, man. Look at motherfucking Shine GKB, man. Hey, yo, shout out to all my motherfucking real rights, man, behind that G-wall, man. To my motherfucking, man, shout out to my motherfucking wife, man. Fuck you niggas, man. Real niggas do real things, man. That's a motherfucking goddamn fact, man. If you ain't here for me, it ain't a fact, man. Cut that motherfucking shit off, man.